In this episode, you will see cleaning up the last rubble, taking out the second window, and bricklaying. Let's go! Good morning and welcome back to another video. Today for our nice and smelly garden. Smelly, I mean by smelling beautiful, because this flower smells amazing. And I don't know if this one has any berries.
No.
No,
This
but
is all
still.
good.
It smells amazing. We already have taken our goaties out. They're already eating their breakfast. Nice. We took them here today because we want to work inside and we just want to have them next to us because we have been working so much the past week that we're not spending any time with them. They were like behind the house. So today we decided why not to have them next to us and work on our window, which is a hole, and it's gonna rain in 2 days, I think. So we need it cemented today and then we need to put the window tomorrow. That's the plan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but first David needs to take the little bit of clay that was left inside. If you saw it in the previous video, there's some tiny clay left and we need to clean that up. Let's go. And can we please talk about my amazing outfit? It's getting hot here, but not too hot, but I still have to wear those shoes, and if I wear those shoes with tiny socks, then I'm gonna get bubbles. So let's go.
It's a beautiful day for us to work all day. Oh baby, I think you're not doing anything.
Me?
Just working.
I'm filming you!
I'm joking.
Boop, boop.
Why are you going backward?
I need to... Okay.
Okay, follow the road.
I need to get on the road first.
It's okay, it's a
My
road.
shoulder is getting out of place.
It's okay, I did only 30 of these yesterday.
No wonder the wheelbarrow broke. You're
Yeah.
abusing it like this.
It's okay, no problem, do it.
Okay, I can do one.
Very good, would be very proud of you. Follow the road.
Hot, what are you looking like that? Do you wanna do it? Why does it look so easy when you're doing it?
It's okay, a tiny bit left.
I need to put another t-shirt on.
Why?
It's hot.
You're hot already?
Yeah.
Should have left your tank top on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, you did it. Good job. That's the hard part. Now just drive it in and don't break it.
Don't break it.
Yeah, just by making it fall or something. Just tip it over.
It's gonna pull me in.
Tip it over in the hole. What? A bit deeper. It's already full there. Okay, there you go. All the way out. Empty.
I wanna put it deeper. Ooh, that stinks.
Nice, right?
Ah. Is it empty?
I don't know, check. Okay, take it back now.
I hate you, plant.
That's why you should have sockies all the way up.
Then I'm gonna look sexier, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, because of the knot that is here. It's not
No, you remember how they're called.
Yeah, they're not nice.
That's what it says. It starts with N, right? Not nice, nata.
David has a very, very bad habit where he starts working without eating. And then he's complaining, oh, I'm shaking, I cannot work. And now we're making eggs again. Our nice chicken eggs. So you're gonna eat an egg and then you're gonna keep going?
Yeah.
Very good. So David cooked his eggs with some bread and sausage. I have a salad which is way too wet because it's like, I don't know how it's called, but it's a salad. And we're sitting with the goats to make them company.
Well, they eat as well.
Well, they eat, so we're both eating. Look how much she has. Yeah, I'm talking to you. What is outside better than there? We have our second strawberry. And yesterday it was in like that, and I put it like this, so the sun can go on that one. Should we eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't. Oh. Doesn't smell. Let's go wash it and cut it in half. We cut it in half. I think it's pretty equally half. I don't know if you can see it. Mmm. Such a tiny strawberry has so much taste. You.
Close. So the next thing for us is to take out the window, to put in the new plastic one. This one might be much easier because there's no need for cutting. The window fits in perfectly.
So first of all, windows. We're gonna take the windows off, top and bottom, so we can destroy all the frame, and we can still use maybe those ones, right?
Yeah.
Because the previous one was super rotten.
That scared the shit out of me.
Well, it was a bit scary. This one's it rotten? I guess.
As much as the other one, but
Guess that's an answer.
we broke the middle.
Can you take another one out?
Another brick.
Yeah, if you can.
We have finished cleaning everything up. We are now going to open up the mortar and put it in, mix it with water, and start bricking all of it closed up and brick up the second window. So tomorrow we can put in the new windows. Okay, let's get going.
So can chop it off, but no.
Oh, this is higher than...
Yeah, I know. Careful, you're just smudging everything out.
Yeah, I have to make it the same level.
We have roughly 3 hours later and we have finished this one. It was only this bricks really, and there was a hole that we filled up. Theoretically we could put the window on after we clean the sides, all of this one, so you need to be cleaned up. But theoretically we could put it in. We don't know if we're gonna do this today. Probably not, because we're hungry and wanna just relax. And we also did all of this one, which you can see is finished. We had to do 2 layers here, 1 layer here, right, of bricks. And we filled up those 2 sides. It was way faster than the other window, because obviously we know what we're doing.
And we cut it correct.
This time, yes, and we had a better tool to make it a bit straighter. So it's pretty nice. And what David has been doing, he's been putting bricks there. You can see one. Those are like ventilated bricks, because our wall is double, which means, as you can see here, it was empty. So it was like brick, brick, and inside empty. And because there was mouses and stuff going in, animals going in, they would put those bricks. And we're probably gonna, in the summer they need to be open so the house can ventilate. In the winter they can close. So David in the winter is gonna cement it all close. And in the summer we're gonna drill up in the holes. Ah! Okay, fill it up. No! We have watered everything that we need to water, which is the strawberries. David needs to water the other 2 patches while I'm inside with the goats. But we also water our cabbages and cauliflower, and we're gonna water our tomatoes back there. But it's at 11 o'clock, and that's how peaceful and quiet it is. That's amazing. And like the sun just set, I think, or a bit before. But we still have light, and it's so amazing. I love it. But hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you next time. Be quiet, because it's so nice here. You can hear the bugs though. There's some weird bugs. They're called the Maybug or something. They're super gigantic and scary. Okay, bye.